Hello and welcome to my world. Today we have the unboxing of, let's see. One. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. And two. You can see that? Okay, this Mantona stative or tripod, Scout Max with a ball head and the Mantona tripod extension arm. I love to do overhead shots, and I always struggled with that due to the fact that, I always had to find a solution. When I was looking for a new tripod, the Manfrotto seemed to be the go-to solution. But I decided myself to go for a value option, especially since the extension arm in this offer was already included. I paid around $110 for this whole package of the tripod and the extension arm. Let's have a look at the tripod first. So my first impression, it looks and feels pretty sturdy right out of the box. It's around 1.9 kilos if I remember right. And 1.9 kilos seem to be quite heavy. It has some foam coating, so it's not so cold to the touch, at least on two of the legs. And all the clips, yep, they seem to hold something on this. The Mantona Scout Max is manufactured in Germany, and it has two small nice features which I just saw. It has a toolkit included, and there's a quick release plate already mounted on the ball head. That's super nice. If you unfold it, you just take the legs out, it stands, and it's right away super sturdy. I really like that. Let's take a look at the extension arm. It also comes with a toolkit. That's where my Skeletal comes in handy. If you haven't watched the video of my Skeletal CX, I leave a link up there. That looks really nice. It's less than I expected, but that should work. We just need to make sure if we need a counterweight for the tripod. So, we have a tripod, we have an extension arm, and we have a small toolkit for the extension arm, even with a small nut where you can change the size of the diameter for the screw. Cool. Let's talk about the tripod itself. You have a quick release plate included, and on the other side you have the toolkit which you need to tighten the locks. That's also really nice. Let's see how easy it is to mount the Scout Max from Mantona, and also how sturdy it is. That is super simple. Also easy solution. You need to take all the locks out. Make sure you close it back. Then that looks pretty well. Even the Canon EOS100D is easily mounted, and as you see, it's still stable enough. And if we go even over two legs, then at this point it might tilt. But for my use cases, more than enough. You can change the depth, how far it will go in and out. You can also change the angle where you want to have it. And you have an opportunity to really smoothly rotate things around. That might be nice for some close-up shots. impressions on the Mantona Scout Max. I will for sure make a more detailed review as soon as I have a little more experience using it. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button to be informed as soon as I upload those videos. Have a great day and see you next time.